Before this, I made two videos about Rollercoin on my channel. In one, I explained Rollercoin, and the other one, I tried to make money by playing Rollercoin for 7 days. In this video, I will withdraw my money from Rollercoin. We will see if we actually receive our money and how much time it takes or how many fees are there. But first, let me talk about Rollercoin in case someone doesn't know what Rollercoin is. You said you wanted room tour. Here's my room and here are my miners. First of all, what is Rollercoin? Rollercoin is a virtual mining simulator. So you can mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB by playing this game. So let's see it for ourselves. When we log in, we see such a page. Well, if you sign up for the first time, you don't see such a page, you don't have those miners and you don't have that much speed. But we all started from zero. By the way, if you register with someone in invitation link, you start with a Bitcoin for reward. So my invitation link is in the description. You can sign up from there and you can start with some Bitcoin instead of starting from scratch. But it's up to you. So how exactly do we earn money with this? You have two options, a paid one and a free one. First, the paid one, you can invest money. You can invest real money in the game, buy miners and increase your speed to make more money. The higher your speed, the more money you earn. And the free method is by playing games. So if you go to the games section from here, you can see there are some mini games where you can play and you can gain speed by playing them and by winning them. And just like that, you can increase your speed and you can earn more money. This is the speed my friend gained just by playing games. And he also withdrew his money from Rollercoin. And this is my speed. By the way, you can come to the store from here and to the miner section and you can buy miners to increase your speed. But to buy miners, you need Roller token. And you can mine Roller token. Or you can buy Rollercoin with real money, but if you don't want to buy with real money, you can mine it. So you come to the main menu and you can open this section, and in this panel you see which coin you mine with how much of your speed. You can click split power and you can say like, I want to mine Roller token with 100% of my speed, or I want to mine Roller token with 50% of my speed, and with the other 50% I want to mine Ethereum, for example. You can do that, but I can't do that right now because you can change it every day or every 12 hours if I'm not mistaken, and I changed it like 2 hours ago. If you can play games and get speed, why would you buy miners? The speeds that you get by playing games and after a certain period of time. So basically you have to play games regularly to keep your speed and to increase your speed. But if you buy a miner, they have a certain speed. They don't go down, they don't go up. They just mine on this speed and you don't have to play games every day. You can just leave them and they can mine for you. All you need to do is to come here every once a day, or like every bar here represents a day. So you have 5 days that you can run with energy. After 5 days, they shut down if you don't click recharge. So you can come once in a day, click recharge and leave, and your miners will mine for you. For example, my friend gained this speed by playing games, and if he leaves playing games, his speed will go down. But on the contrary, my speed, this speed that you see here, is all thanks to these miners. And I don't play any games, and I don't need to. All I have to do is to come here, click recharge once in a day and leave, and those miners will make money for me. Anyway, if you want to learn more about Rollercoin, I suggest to watch this video here on my channel where I go in more depth about Rollercoin. But now, let's withdraw our money. I came to my wallet. Now, I will withdraw Bitcoin, BNB and Dogecoin. I have reached the lower limit on those coins and I can withdraw my money now. I didn't reach on Ethereum, but it's pretty close. So, how much money do I have right now? Let's see. My Dogecoins are worth $2.09, my BNBs are worth $2.41, and finally my Bitcoins are worth $3.44. So basically, I will withdraw around $8. I know it's not much, but to be honest, I didn't do much on this game, so it's pretty much passive. I don't do literally anything. I just buy miners when I reach the point, which right now I have 76 Roller tokens, and I'm just saving them because I want to buy the event pass, which you can get great miners from there. Anyway, let's withdraw our money. So I say withdraw from here and I type my Bitcoin wallet address here and how much of my Bitcoin I want to withdraw. Then you need to go to your email and confirm the withdrawal, and after that you're done. So it says that the money will be paid to my account in 1 to 3 business days. Today is Tuesday, so I think I will get paid in this week. We'll see. And I did the same thing to the BNB and the Dogecoin. So I just got out of the shower and opened my phone and I saw an email saying deposit successful. By the way, I got paid in just 1 day. I withdrew my money yesterday and today it said deposit successful. It's good. I can say it's pretty fast, and on Bitcoin and on Dogecoin there aren't any fees, and on BNB let's see how much fees are there. So I got paid 0.008528 BNBs. But yesterday I withdrew 0.008633. So I got paid $2.49 and I had withdrew $2.52, so the fees are 3 cents. Of course, that would depend on how much money you withdraw, but that's in my occasion. In short, this is how it is. If you're thinking of starting playing Rollercoin, at least now you know that you can get paid actually. You can withdraw your money and you will receive your money. It's not a scam. I mean, I did get paid. Also, you don't pay any fees on Bitcoin or on Dogecoin. Right now I'm only paying fees for BNB, so that's good. So if you already like playing games, why not play this game, Rollercoin, and earn some extra cryptocurrencies. Also, if you register with my link in the description, you will start with some extra bitcoins. Why not start with some extra bitcoins? By the way, if you want to see my 1 week process in Rollercoin, I suggest you to watch this video. In this video, I play Rollercoin for 7 days and try to make money. So I guess I'll see you again in that video. Bye bye.